Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know security is key. Today, we're tackling how to transfer your Cardano from your Ledger Nano X to a Tangem wallet. This process is straightforward but requires attention to detail to keep your assets safe. Whether you're switching wallets for better portability or just diversifying your setup, this guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Tangem wallet app installed on your smartphone, and a stable internet connection. Also, double-check that your Cardano is already in your Ledger Nano X. If not, you'll need to acquire some first. Remember, always update your firmware and apps to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. This minimizes risks like compatibility issues. Okay, let's get to the steps. Start by unlocking your Ledger Nano X and opening the Cardano app on the device. On your computer or phone, launch a compatible wallet interface like Yoroi or Daedalus that supports Ledger. In the wallet software, select your Cardano account linked to the Ledger, then choose the Send option. Enter the receiving address from your Tangem wallet. You can find this by opening the Tangem app and selecting Receive for Cardano. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Next, specify the amount of Cardano you want to transfer, leaving a small buffer for transaction fees. Review the transaction details carefully on both your Ledger screen and the software. Always confirm on the hardware device for added security. Once you're satisfied, approve the transaction on your Ledger Nano X. The transfer should process quickly, but it might take a few minutes to confirm on the blockchain. A quick tip. In 2025, be on the lookout for enhanced multi-factor authentication features in these wallets, which add an extra layer of protection. If you encounter any errors, like a timeout message, ensure your devices are properly connected and restart if needed. And there you have it. Your Cardano is now safely in your Tangem wallet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.